Hi, welcome back. Let's now how to perfectly enable and use automatic flashlight for live recognition on your iPhone and iPad running iOS 27 or later. Live recognition is an incredibly helpful accessibility feature that uses your device camera to identify objects, people, text, doors, and other elements in your surroundings in real time. Since it relies on the camera to analyze what's in front of you, poor lighting can significantly reduce its accuracy. To solve this problem, Apple has added automatic flashlight option that intelligently turns on the device LED flash whenever the environment is too dark and switches it off once enough light is available. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your device, and then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the accessibility option. Then head over to the region section and choose live recognition. And finally, you have to enable or disable the toggle located right next to automatic flashlight, and you are all set. It's worth pointing out that live recognition identifies when the environment is too dark to detect text and turns the flashlight on for 10-second increments to illuminate the surroundings. It's a small setting, but it can make a huge difference by allowing live recognition to detect and describe your surroundings more accurately in low light conditions. So, whether you are identifying objects, reading signs, or navigating unfamiliar places, automatic lighting ensures the camera always has the illumination it needs. If the flashlight doesn't turn on automatically, make sure your device supports live recognition. The feature is enabled correctly and the flashlight isn't being restricted by low power or hardware issues. With everything configured perfectly, you'll enjoy a smoother and more dependable live recognition experience on your iPhone or iPad. Now that you've unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.